Learning to play the guitar is an exciting journey that opens up a world of creativity and self-expression. However, every newbie guitarist faces certain hurdles along the way that can be both frustrating and discouraging. In this article, we will explore 5 surprising challenges that often arise for beginner guitarists and provide practical tips on how to overcome them. Finger pain. The struggle of building calluses. One of the first obstacles new guitarists encounter is finger pain caused by pressing down on the strings. This discomfort can make practicing difficult and lead some beginners to give up prematurely. However, it's important to remember that building calluses takes time. To conquer this hurdle, start by practicing regularly in shorter sessions rather than long stretches at once. Gradually increase your practice time as your fingers become more accustomed to the pressure. Additionally, consider using lighter gauge strings or investing in a finger exerciser tool specifically designed for strengthening your fingertips. Struggling with chord changes, from awkward transitions to smooth progressions. Another common challenge for newbie guitarists is transitioning between chords smoothly and quickly enough during songs or exercises. It can be disheartening when your fingers stumble over themselves, leading you to lose rhythm or timing. To conquer this hurdle, break down chord changes into smaller parts and practice each transition individually before putting them together in sequence. Slow down the tempo if needed until you feel comfortable with each change before gradually increasing speed. Additionally, visual aids such as chord charts or online tutorials can help you understand proper finger placement and hand positioning during transitions. Lack of motivation. Staying inspired throughout your guitar journey. Maintaining motivation is crucial when learning any new skill, including playing the guitar, but it's not uncommon for beginner guitarists to hit a wall where their enthusiasm wanes. To conquer this hurdle, set achievable goals and celebrate small victories along the way. Whether it's learning a new song, mastering a challenging technique, or even just playing for friends and family, acknowledging your progress will keep you motivated. Furthermore, seek out inspiration from other guitarists by listening to their music or watching live performances. Joining a community of fellow musicians can also provide support and encouragement during times when motivation is low. Music theory. The daunting language of notes and scales. Understanding music theory is often seen as an intimidating aspect of learning the guitar. Newbie guitarists may struggle with deciphering notes on sheet music or comprehending scales and chord progressions. To conquer this hurdle, start by focusing on basic music theory concepts such as reading tablature, tabs, instead of traditional sheet music. Tabs provide a visual representation of where to place your fingers on the fretboard without requiring extensive knowledge of musical notation. As you become more comfortable with tabs, gradually incorporate more complex theory into your practice routine. Online tutorials and instructional videos can be valuable resources for learning about scales, chords, and how they relate to one another. Stage fright. Overcoming performance anxiety. For many newbie guitarists who dream of playing in front of an audience someday, stage fright can be a significant obstacle that holds them back from pursuing their goals. To conquer this hurdle, start by performing in low-pressure environments such as open mic nights or jam sessions with friends before progressing to larger audiences. Gradually exposing yourself to performing in front of others will help build confidence over time. Additionally, practicing regularly under conditions similar to those you'll encounter during performances, such as using amplifiers or playing alongside backing tracks, can simulate real-life scenarios and prepare you mentally for stage appearances. In conclusion, learning the guitar is not always smooth sailing for newbie players. However, facing these hurdles head-on will ultimately lead to growth and progress. By recognizing the challenges of finger pain, chord changes, motivation, music theory, and stage fright and implementing the strategies outlined above, you can conquer these obstacles and continue on your musical journey with confidence. Remember that perseverance is key. Every guitarist, regardless of skill level or experience, has faced these hurdles at some point. Embrace the process, stay determined, and enjoy the rewarding feeling of mastering a beautiful instrument like the guitar.